before I could understand the nature of man. Inside me was a radiant light, forcing teeth to show, burning with eagerness to come into my own. Shaped through experience in the dying of life, shadows materialized in my blind spot, and there commenced the depressing of the light. I don't want to see me, because the actuality of it all is that me, myself, this body that I possessed, is not an accurate reflection of who I want to be. Darkness consumes my vision, entering my mind with precise precision. Who am I to blame? Is there someone or something I can hold accountable? Is this my excuse? The burdens I carry cannot hold the weight beneath the roof of stars embodying a noble fate. What is this line I follow, one foot in front of the other? Is this by my own intention? Am I designed to follow? Or is this unpaved path my own to claim? Choose by choice, a choice we've made, by my own admittance, consumed with shame. Who am I here for?